Hello, today we will explore the world of the lucky god. Their story reminds us of the importance of being careful in our work. Good luck, and let's get started. This situation was truly dangerous, and he was lucky to avoid an accident. It serves as a reminder that logging always comes with risks. Staying alert and cautious is crucial to protecting yourself from unforeseen dangers. It's both funny and nerve-wracking to see a chainsaw hanging like that. If it really makes you wonder how such a situation happened, it could have been an accident during cutting or someone losing control of it midway. Hopefully, the logger involved is safe, as accidents with chainsaws can become serious in an instant. This tree splitting in half while the worker was on it must have been an incredibly terrifying experience. Fortunately, he remained safe, but it's definitely a strong reminder of how crucial caution and thorough preparation are in this line of work.
Holy shit!
Sometimes ropes can get tangled at work, causing a bit of inconvenience. But it's not always a big problem. Like in this case, the man quickly handled the situation without much trouble. Sometimes it's important to find joy even while working. These men prove that you don't need everything to be happy. You just need to create your own happiness. Life is too short to be anything but joyful, so embrace the little moments and make the most of them. Happiness often comes from simple things and a positive outlook on every moment. After felling a tree, removing the stump is a major challenge for loggers. That's when a stump grinder comes into play, handling them as effortlessly as pulling out weeds. With its power and efficiency, this is an essential tool for any logger. This man operates the chainsaw with incredible precision. Each cut is smooth and sharp, revealing a polished wooden surface as if it were processed by modern machinery. His masterful technique and intense focus are truly impressive. This is a prime example of using the wrong tool for the job. While a chainsaw is designed for cutting wood, improper use or applying it to unsuitable materials can quickly cause wear and even complete damage. Every tool has its operational limits, and exceeding these specifications not only reduces its lifespan, but also increases the risk of accidents. Why risk damaging the equipment just to create a fire? Using a chainsaw for this purpose is not only unwise, but also increases the risk of damage, leading to costly repairs or even the need for a replacement. This man decided to cut down a tree by himself, not realizing that his solution would lead to even bigger trouble. This is a perfect example of things not going as planned. While cutting the tree, this man's chainsaw suddenly got stuck, leaving him with no choice but to run for safety as the tree began to fall. The moment of danger comes after the tree is cut, as the falling log creates a tense and unpredictable situation. This clearly highlights how risky and unpredictable this job can be. No way this was an accident. Clearly this wasn't a mistake, but a deliberate act. In the forest, anything can happen, and this is a perfect example of that. Witnessing accidents during logging operations is truly heartbreaking. This serves as a reminder of the importance of proper training and the safe use of equipment to protect everyone involved. This man was cutting down a tree on a rainy day when he suddenly faced the most chaotic and intense moment of his life. This footage reminds us of the importance of staying vigilant and being well prepared when working in the high-risk environment of logging. Watch as the situation quickly takes an unexpected turn.
Out today. My crayons are short, the box is full, my bottle of glue.
The man cutting the tree is completely unaware that someone is at the top of it. This situation is extremely dangerous. It highlights the importance of thoroughly checking the surroundings and ensuring no one is nearby while working with trees. Climbing a ladder to cut a tree can be one of the most dangerous mistakes, significantly increasing the risk of accidents. Many people suffer serious injuries due to an unstable ladder or sudden shifts in weight, leading to loss of balance and unfortunate hazards. This man reached his breaking point when not just one, but multiple chainsaws got stuck in the same tree. His frustration peaked as he smashed his helmet in anger. This is a clear example of how stressful and unpredictable logging can be. In this scene, the man skillfully handles a challenging logging task with the support of a crane. Though the job is far from easy, he executes it smoothly, showcasing precision and professional expertise. On a windy day, a tree fell onto power lines, creating a life-threatening situation. Fortunately, despite the high risk, no one was injured. A log from the freshly cut tree suddenly rolled down the slope at high speed, heading straight for a house. Realizing the danger, the man immediately sprinted after it, trying to stop it before it could cause harm to anyone below. It was a dangerous situation as a tree branch fell just a few feet away from him. Moments like these serve as a reminder of the unpredictability and risks involved in tree cutting work. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos. Pruning tall trees is a dangerous task that requires skill, knowledge, and expertise. The person performing it must be properly trained to recognize potential risks. One should never take reckless or risky actions. Think carefully before doing anything and always anticipate the potential risks involved. Before starting the job, thoroughly assess the potential risks, including the size and weight of the branches, the height of the tree, weather conditions, and the presence of obstacles below. In the video, it's likely that the person didn't anticipate the tree uprooting and falling towards the truck. It's essential to foresee possible outcomes and have preventive measures in place. A warning about the potential dangers posed by trees, especially in extreme weather conditions. Proactively assessing risks, implementing preventive measures, and having appropriate insurance can help minimize damage and protect human life. This is the consequence of not following safety rules when felling trees. Always assess the risks, plan carefully, use the right tools and techniques, maintain a safe distance, and never be complacent. If you're unsure, hire a professional. It seems that the worker cut a branch that was too large or improperly handled, causing it to fall and overturn the cage. Therefore, it's important to thoroughly assess the potential risks before carrying out this task. Caution and detailed planning are essential before performing any tree cutting tasks. It's important to avoid situations where the tree could fall onto someone else's property, as happened in his case. It seems that the weight of the log was too much for the crane's capacity, causing it to tip over. This serves as a reminder of the importance of following safety rules when using lifting equipment. We should respect and protect wildlife when carrying out tree pruning activities. Thorough inspection, careful work, and proper planning will help minimize negative impacts on the environment. Strong winds are an extremely dangerous factor when working at heights, especially when felling or pruning trees. Wind can cause a loss of balance, shake the tree, and even cause the tree to unexpectedly fall. Felling trees near houses or other structures always carries risks. Always exercise caution and ensure that safety is the top priority. Caution and thorough assessment are essential before cutting down a tree, and protective measures should be in place to safeguard the surrounding property.
Oh my God!
It seems that this person is trying to control the direction in which the tree falls using a rope, but for some reason the tree fell in the wrong direction and caused damage. The person failed to control the force of the tree's fall, causing the tree to be lifted and tossed outwards. The worker did not fully assess the risk factors and lacked a detailed and safe tree cutting plan. As a result, a serious accident occurred, which occurred, causing significant property damage. When the tree begins to fall, it's crucial to quickly move away from the danger zone and observe the direction of the fall to avoid being crushed by the tree. The person failed to control the force of the tree section's fall, which could pose a danger to people and property below. The lesson here is the importance of controlling the fall of tree sections and ensuring the safety of the surrounding area. In this video, the failure to control the direction of the tree's fall led to property damage. The tree fell in an unexpected direction, creating a danger for the surrounding area. Clearly, a small mistake can lead to serious consequences, even fatal ones. A group of people is felling a tall tree next to a road. The tree is being cut with a chainsaw and tied with a rope to control its fall in the desired direction. However, due to miscalculation or insufficient force, the tree falls onto power lines, causing sparks, smoke, and a widespread power outage. The chainsaw being thrown highlights the potential dangers of the job and the serious consequences that can occur if the worker is not careful. Using a lift with a basket allows the worker to safely access the task at height, as opposed to climbing directly up the tree. The way the man handles the tree suggests that he may not have received proper training in safe tree felling methods. The lack of precision in his movements and clear lack of preparation have increased the risk of an accident occurring. Using an excavator to split firewood can be an efficient and labor-saving method, but it's important to thoroughly inspect the machinery and tools before use to ensure they are functioning properly. Tree felling is a dangerous task and should only be performed by those with the proper experience and skills. If you're unsure about your abilities, it's best to hire a professional to carry out the job. They should have used a rope to lower the tree trunk slowly instead of letting it fall freely. Doing so accidentally damaged the road surface when the trunk hit it. It seems that no safety measures were in place. It's likely that this man is not a professional tree cutter and lacks the experience or knowledge needed to safely fell a tall tree. The tree falling onto power lines is extremely dangerous and could lead to electrocution or a fire. Top-down tree felling techniques were used to bring the tree down, but it seems that the calculation of the tree's fall direction was not perfectly executed. Watch the entire video to learn how to create a unique fire pit that can maintain a long-lasting flame and provide even heat using just a chainsaw and a log. Assessing the tree before felling and applying the appropriate techniques to control the direction of the fall is crucial to prevent accidents and minimize damage. If you like this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to get all our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next videos.